Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Suzuki Boulevard C50T, the Touring Edition. 805cc V-twin, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled. A lot of beautiful touring accessories, including the running lights, the engine guard, floorboards, a really cool studded king and queen saddle, saddleman luggage, rear and rider passenger backrests, luggage rack, shaft drive, heel toe shifter. This is a really awesomely equipped middleweight cruiser. Come on by, make your middleweight cruiser dreams come true for just $59.99. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Exhaust, I forgot to mention that. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.